So today we'll be discussing about position sizing. Okay, so what is position sizing? Position sizing is basically the amount of quantity which you have to buy for a particular trade. Okay, so most of us don't know, like we know what price to enter and what is our stop loss, but how many quantities should we buy? Okay, that is a very important question, because everybody's capital is different, everybody's risk is different, right? So how many quantities to buy, that is like the most important thing we have to know, right? So that is the concept of position sizing. So let us understand what is position sizing. Okay, so I have created a particular Excel sheet. Using that Excel sheet, you can just quickly find out your position sizing or the amount or the quantity you want to buy, or you can just create your own also. Okay, so I'm going to tell you the logic behind it so that it will be easy for you. Okay, so let us come to this particular thing. Okay, so this particular Excel sheet will be available from the description box. I'll give you the Google Drive link. You can download and use it. Okay, no issues with it. So now let us come to the position sizing concept. Okay, so how many quantities should we buy? Okay, so whenever you enter in a particular trade, right? So whatever may be the trade, whether it's like buy at 100 rupees and the stop loss is 90 rupees. Okay, so position sizing will need only two things, that is our stop loss, okay, and the price at which we enter, okay, and nothing else. So in this position sizing, from this position sizing only, we will able to be understand like how many quantities we need, right? So we have one simple formula to calculate it. Okay, I have made the formulas in the Excel sheet so that you can use it, but you can create your own also, no issues with it. So whatever trades we give, for example, current price, here we have current price, stop loss, and the maximum loss and investment, right? So here the main important three field is current price, stop loss, and the max loss. Okay, max loss is nothing, you decide yourself what's the loss you can take in a particular trade. Okay, for example, I have 1 lakh rupees, you have 2 lakh rupees, 3 lakhs rupees, whatever. Okay, so whatever trade you are taking, right, you just ask yourself like how much amount of loss can I take. For example, I have 1 lakh rupees, right? So just imagine that I am taking in a particular trade, I will make only 1000 rupees as my loss and nothing more than that. Okay, so what you have to do here is, first let me make this 0, everything as 0, then you will understand. Okay, so no issues with it, this particular column will be fixed. So here in max loss, you put 1000 rupees. Okay, so 1000 rupees means that is the maximum loss I can afford. Okay, no need to worry about investment, just understand position sizing. So here I have given the current price. Okay, current price maybe in 100 rupees I have told to buy, or you have decided to buy from a particular price section. The current price is 100 rupees. Okay, and the stop loss is 90 rupees, right? That is fixed. So here if you see how many quantities should we buy, the quantity is automatically updated here, so that is 100 quantity, right? So see, for me also I will take the same trade, for you also you will take the same trade, right? But we have to know how much loss can we accept. That is the main concept of position sizing. For example, here if I want max loss to be like 5000, I have like 2 lakh capital and 5000 rupees I can take it at risk, no problem. Okay, nothing, see the quantity updated to 500 quantities, right? And the investment is this thing, right? So for example, in today's trade, right, we have discussed about Tata MTR DVR, right? So at how much price I have given? I think 143 or 44, right? So just let me check. Yeah, 153, sorry. So yeah, 153 will be my price, 153.70 we bought it, right? And the stop loss, right? So stop loss, how much we have given is 145, right? 145 rupees stop loss. Okay, and in this trade, maximum, okay, maximum if I am having 1 lakh capital, I can lose 1000 rupees. Okay, 1000 rupees, right? So here if you see, the position sizing comes, the quantity is approximately 115 quantities you should buy. Okay, and the investment amount is 17,666. Okay, this particular thing you have to make very clear in your mind. Position sizing is the most important thing. Okay, because in this same trade only, like if I'm having 10 lakh capital, obviously I will say okay, I am taking 20,000 risk in this particular thing. See, immediately my this particular quantity changes, it became 2000 quantities and my investment is also changed, right? So this is how you have to figure out how much. Ask yourself, whenever you are taking a trade, ask yourself how much loss can I afford in this particular trade, and put that amount here. Okay, and just current price and stop loss, here we go. Okay, so that's it. Thank you everyone, thanks for watching. Please subscribe and hit the like button.